Hello, it is Teacher River here. It's actually my online teaching name tag there, but I'm River Lotus. If you have not met me, I support Bayside Academy in the ACE and in other ways on campus. Today I'm helping you log into Zoom and create a Zoom account. If you already have a Zoom account, you are totally awesome. You have earned your 5 stars. Get out of this video. You can go ahead and go back into the presentation and go through and find the video that you are looking for. If you don't have a Zoom account, you are a total rock star for setting up Zoom. I know this is a big step. It's difficult. It's something brand new. Closing out of that, I'll show you how to do that app in another video. So if you are on this video, you have probably gone through this slide 1. You have read slide 2 because you are all brilliant and all absolutely amazing. This is new. This is overwhelming, and we are going to go through this step by step. Slide number 3. That's where we are. Let's click on this link right here. This is our Zoom link to take us to the Zoom web page. If you are not on the slide presentation, you can go to zoom.us or you can Google search Zoom and then click on that link. When you get to Zoom, you're going to see this page. We're going to say, bye, River. River's going down to the bottom right of the page. If you feel the need to see me, I'm down there. We're going to focus on this part of the page. You can click on sign up. It's free. Again, if you've already signed in and signed up for an account, you don't need this video. So we're clicking sign up. It's free. We have 2 options here for signing up. One is enter your work email right here. That's your Bayside Academy account. And then click sign up. Or you can click sign in with Google. When you click the sign in with Google, it will show your Google accounts that you have logged in on your work computer. If you're doing this from a home computer, you click on sign in with Google, it will show your Google accounts. You can click on that Google account, enter your Google password. It will not be your Zoom password, it would be your Google account password, and then you're signed in with Google. Now you're signed up for Zoom. Totally awesome. That simple. Now you may say, River, I heard there's this free account for teachers. There is. That's what we are going to look at. So let's go back to our slide presentation. You have now signed up for your your Zoom account. We are going down to slide number 6. Free for teachers, how to. So to have a free account, you need to fill out a form. You have already done step 1. That was going in and creating a Zoom account. Now you're going to click on this link. This link takes us back to Zoom, but it's a different Zoom page. Again, we've already done step 1. If you've not done step 1, you can click here and do it there. Step 2 is filling in this school information. School email address, school name, first name, last name, school size, school website, phone number, country, and then you click submit. When you've entered in all of that information, you will receive an email. Zoom is pretty backed up, so you will receive an email within the next 24 to 48 hours. But that doesn't matter. You can still use your Zoom account. That is just for that extended time for teachers. So you click submit, you go in, and you are all good. We are going to go back here because that's all we needed to do to sign up for Zoom. If you want to know how to set up a Zoom meeting, that's in another video. You all rock, you're amazing. I'll see you in the next videos.